Hi there, welcome to my baking hour. Come on in. Today we're going to be making the old-fashioned soft pumpkin cookies, and they are delicious. Let's get started. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you want to put parchment paper on your pan. To start the batter, you want to mix 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ a teaspoon of nutmeg, and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Mix all those ingredients together and set the bowl aside. In another bowl, add 1½ cups of sugar and ½ a cup of butter. Mix these ingredients until well blended. Add 1 cup of the pumpkin puree, an egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. While you're mixing all these ingredients together, add the flour mixture from earlier. Make sure you dip your scoop in flour to prevent the batter from sticking. Then you can start scooping your batter onto the pan. Set your timer for 15 minutes and then you can make your glaze while you're waiting. For the glaze, you want to add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 cups of sifted icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all ingredients until smooth. When your cookies are done, place them on the wire racks to cool. Drizzle your glaze over top. And there you have it, the old-fashioned soft pumpkin cookies.